Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a niche product designed specifically for pharmaceutical and vaccine storage. The Summit Appliance ARG1PV Pharma-Vac Performance Series Compact Vaccine Refrigerator. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes this fridge stand out. First off, it's all about precision temperature control. Equipped with an intelligent microprocessor digital temperature controller, this refrigerator boasts improved temperature accuracy, thanks to a separate temperature probe for continuous product readout. And that's not all. An additional sensor reads the interior air temperature, ensuring superior temperature control. But why does this matter? Well, for pharmacy, medication, and vaccine applications, meeting CDC VFC guidelines is crucial. That's where the Summit Appliance ARG1PV shines. With an adjustable operating control range from +2 degrees Celsius to +8 degrees Celsius, plus 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides the ideal environment for storing sensitive products. And let's talk about convenience. The digital display shows the min-maximum temperature, updated in 15-minute increments. Plus, you can view the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit to the nearest degree. No more guesswork here. Now, let's talk about performance. With optimized forced air cooling, this fridge maintains excellent temperature stability and uniformity, even after frequent door openings and product loading. Plus, with rapid recovery, you won't have to worry about temperature fluctuations affecting your stored products. In terms of specs, it's compact yet spacious, with 1 cubic foot of capacity. The glass door adds a professional touch, allowing you to easily see what's inside. And with reversible door swing and adjustable wire shelves, you can customize it to suit your needs. Overall, the Summit Appliance ARG1PV Pharma-Vac Performance Series Compact Vaccine Refrigerator is a solid choice for pharmacies, medical facilities, and vaccine storage applications. With its precise temperature control, reliable performance, and compact design, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a specialized refrigerator. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.